Kung madrama ka sa buhay, huwag ka nang magnegosyo. Kasi sa trabaho, pag empleyado ka, pwede ka maging dramatic di ba? Pwede ka magreklamo, nakikipagchismisan ka pa sa mga office mate mo, no? Magrereklamo ka sa management, tapos bayad ka pa rin. Iiyak ka, magko-complain ka, pero meron ka pa ring trabahong pwedeng pasukan. Sa negosyo, walang ganun. Kapag madrama ka, apektado negosyo mo. Kapag puro ka reklamo, apektado income mo. Therefore, there is no time and there is no season to be dramatic if you want to start a business. The only word that we accept in business is commitment. Ibig sabihin, doing whatever it takes, regardless of what happens in the economy, regardless of what happens in the society, regardless of what happens in the marketplace. Can you do whatever it takes to make you successful? Can you do whatever it takes to make your business profitable? And there is no room for drama about it. It's